What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. Yes, you guys, I am squatting here in Dollar Tree because we have a beautiful new collection of lashes by Ioni, and this is where they chose to put them. The display is super pretty. I'm going to show you guys what I have here in my store. We have Natural Doll Light, we have Light Cat Eye, we have Wispy Natural Light, we have Voluminous Doll, we have Wispy Round Crisscross. I just love the packaging. We have Wispy Dramatic Full, we have Wispy Flare Spiky, we have Wispy Long Crisscross. I guess I could be reading the names on the top too. Wispy Doll, this one's called Windy. Sinharaja Wispy Crisscross. We have Round Medium Full, Round Volume. We have Spiky Cat Eye and Wispy Doll. So a lot of these have just a variety of names, from Congo to Santa Elena to, it looks like Daintree. I know that's not an R. Lots of new lashes from Ioni. To those of you that love Ioni lashes. This is also new this week. Pepto-Bismol 4 in a pack. Cross your fingers because it's makeup time. Ooh, we have a pink facial massage tool. That is definitely new. These nails are back, as well as these. These are the iridescent nails. Or maybe they're a slightly different color. We've seen nails very similar to this in the past. They might be new. They might be slightly different. The jelly bombs are here. If you guys saw my last Dollar Tree haul that I filmed at home, I titled it Dollar Tree Haul and an Enormously Huge LA Colors Makeup Haul. You guys would have seen these. LA Colors sent me all of these. It looks like Dollar Tree has them here. We have coconut, we have vanilla, grape, watermelon, and strawberry. I feel like maybe the green apple isn't here, or maybe I'm thinking of another one of their bombs that they sent. But yes, these are brand new from LA Colors. We also have brand new cream blushes. They also sent me these. We have Tainted Love, we have Hypnotized, and Mesmerizing. Those are also brand new for spring, as well as the Jelly Lip Gloss. We have Sweetened, Sugary, and okay, over here, and we have Glacé and Syrup. Again, if you guys want to see the full collection, or at least what I had in one of my boxes, I have a second box to share with you guys. If you guys want to see what was in one of my boxes, go back to that live Dollar Tree haul from about a week ago. You guys will be able to see some of the new items for spring. I think I showed about 60 to 80 items, maybe a little less, that I received from LA Colors. And these are still here. The nail polishes. The brand is Yes Studio. Let's see. These also came out last week. The brand is Gem. You get 3 nail files. Anything else that's new? I don't think we have any other new makeup. It looks like a lot of the cool turtles have finally sold. And look, you guys, these are new for the week. The Light Up Panda brushes, so cute. We also have JoJo brushes, and we have Hot Wheels, we have Shopkins. The 2-pack of bamboo charcoal toothbrushes are here. We also have these ones as well. It says eco-friendly, the 2-pack. Last week I showed these during the live. We have brand new eco-friendly floss picks. This is double threaded. And then down here we have 75 in a pack. These are the charcoal infused floss picks in peppermint. And then of course we have all of these. And these are brand new by Dental Guru, 60 in a bag. Cocoa mint is the flavor. These are also new this week. Feel the Clean, 30 by Oral-B. We also have brand new floss by Smile Pro. 100% more than reach, 55 yards floss. So we get 105 meters, which is 115 yards. And then in the typical reach floss, we get 55 yards. Now these tend to go for about 97 cents at Walmart, if you can find them. Lately, I haven't been able to. I'm lucky if I can find 1 or 2 left on the shelf. Yes, another display. Another display, you guys, from LA Colors. Everything over here is brand new. We have all the lip balms, bubblegum, cotton candy, mixed berries, and green apple. More balms, bubblegum, cotton candy, berry, and green apple. And we have bubblegum, cotton candy, berry, and green apple. This one actually is a lip gloss and not a balm, but these are balms and these are balms. Sweet Lip Shop. Well, you guys, I guess we won't do hair in this video. Come back to my very next video, you guys, and we'll take a look at the new hair items and then start working our way through some other aisles as well. But thank you guys so much for joining me. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. All you have to do is hit that little button and subscribe and join the Bunny Birdie Gator family. Well, all right, you guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.